Chapter 4. Our Solar System. We see the moon and the large number of twinkling stars in the sky at night. As the stars are too far from us, they look like tiny points of light. They are numerous and uncountable. They are big and bright balls of burning gases. They produce heat and light. During daytime, we see the sun in the sky. The sun is also a star. The sun appears to be much bigger than the other stars because it is closer to the earth than all the other stars. It is the source of heat and light for us. Looking at it directly can damage our eyes. The solar system, the sun, the 8 planets, and their moons make up the solar system. The 8 large round objects that move around the sun are called planets. The planets move around the sun in their fixed paths. The fixed path of a planet is called its orbit. The size of a planet is much smaller than that of a star. A planet does not give out heat or light on its own. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun. Satellites are heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Besides the earth, there are 7 other planets which move around the sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The first 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and the first Mars, are called the inner planets. They have solid surface. The last 4 planets are called the outer planets. These planets are mainly made up of gases. Brief descriptions of all the 8 planets have been given below. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. It does not have any moon. Venus. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet. Venus can be seen in the sky at dawn and dusk. So, it is also called the morning or evening star. Venus does not have any moon. Venus is similar to Earth in size. It is also called the sister planet of Earth. The Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is called the blue planet as 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The Earth is the only non-planet where life exists. It has one moon. Mars has red soil and rocks, so it is also called the red planet. It has 2 moons. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is best known for its red spots on its surface, which is a huge storm. It is the fastest spinning planet. It has 67 moons. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet. It is best known for its bright rings around it. It can be seen easily in the night sky with the help of a telescope. Saturn has 62 moons. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the coldest planet. It has 27 moons. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It has 14 moons. The living planet, the Earth. The Earth is the only planet that supports life. It is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere, which contains oxygen. All living things need it to live. Nearly 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water and 1/4 with land. It has the ideal temperature for living. Water and land are present on the outermost layer of the Earth. This part is called the crust. It is the layer we live on. Below the crust, there is a layer of molten rocks called the mantle. The innermost layer is called the core. It is made up of the hot molten metals. It is the hottest layer of the Earth. Movement of the Earth. The imaginary line running through the Earth's center is called the axis. It passes through the 2 opposite points on the Earth's surface called its poles. There are 2 types of movements of the Earth, rotation and revolution. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth on its tilted axis causes day and night. The half that faces the sun has day, while the other half that is away from the sun has night. For example, when it is day in India, it is night in the United States of America, as both countries are situated on almost opposite sides of the earth. Revolution. The earth moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 quarter days. This time period makes a year on the earth. The revolution of the earth is responsible for the change in seasons. Most places on the earth have four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The seasons are caused due to the revolution of the earth and the tilt of its axis. In fact, the tilt of its axis is what makes season occur. Because of the tilt of the earth's axis, when one hemisphere faces towards the sun, the other hemisphere is farther from the sun. So, one hemisphere gets more sunlight than the other hemisphere. During revolution, when the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it gets more sunlight and has summer. At that time, the southern hemisphere is farther from the sun and has winter. India is in the northern hemisphere while Australia is in the southern hemisphere. So, when it is summer in India, Australia has winter. Similarly, when the southern hemisphere faces towards the sun, it has summer. At the time, the northern hemisphere has winter. There are times where the hemisphere are not tilted towards the sun. At this time, if it is autumn in one hemisphere, the other hemisphere has spring. In a hemisphere, autumn comes after summer and spring comes after winter. There are no seasons at the equator. Constellations. We see stars in groups in the sky. These groups are called galaxies. A constellation is a group of stars that seems to form a recognizable pattern in the sky. The pattern may look like an animal or an object. There are 88 constellations known so far.